Yeah, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today's video, we're gonna be playing some Don't Press the Button 1 with cameraman. Say hi. Say hi, cameraman. The volume is so loud. Okay. Yeah. No these. No these uts. No these uts. No these uts. No these. Okay. No one got to the top. Yeah, if I spell it right, because then it's gonna get if I spell it right, it's gonna get censored. Oh my god, what is this? What? Glide through the rings. Wait, which rings, bro? What? What? Which? Oh, there's the rings.
This one's so easy.
I didn't know where I was going, bro.
So easy.
I didn't know where I was going. There you are, your first cameraman. And yeah.
Yeah, I'm first. I'm winning.
Yes, you're winning.
I just won this match.
Bro, you won.
I really won.
Yes, cameraman won. Yeah, but what's up, Giga fam? Yes, Giga fam. Yeah, we're just 2 Giga, bro. Look at me. So much drip.
Bro, how much members do you have in your little Giga clan?
So far, we got 10 on the Discord server.
In the Discord, do you have a server you didn't invite me into it?
Oh, wait. Oh, can I invite you to it?
Yeah, invite me.
Okay, I will invite you after this. So yeah, guys, join the Discord server.
Right.
Yes. This Giga fam. Okay.
I can't believe you made a server without me.
Yeah. Oh, the spinning cube again. Okay. We played this game before, so yeah.
That's some real disrespect, bro. I don't tolerate that.
Let's go. I'm spinning this way.
This one's so easy, bro. Like.
Yeah, bro. How are people even failing this, bro? Yeah. This is just easy.
Like, if you fail this, then you're just a noob.
Yeah. Bro, which way is this cube even spinning, bro? Bro, which way is the cube even spinning, bro? What the? Okay, now it's spinning this way. So it's spinning every way, bro. It's literally spinning every way. Where is this guy spinning? What? Okay, we won. Bro, this is easy, bro. I press the button. I press it. I did not press it. Oh, okay. Well, let me grab this. E. I have it. I have it. It's up to me to save the day. It's up to me to save the day. Yes.
Yeah, we did it.
That was easy.
Come on,
I'm fast as F, boy.
No, bro. Right on it.
Oh, this.
A lever is hiding somewhere. Find it. Easy,
What
right?
the?
Easy, yeah.
Oh, you can go through the bushes.
Sweat, bro.
What? That? Bro, people are tryharding here, bro.
And open the treasure chest.
I died. Oh, never mind. You can't die.
Oh, you're hacking. You're hacking.
Bruh. Let me open the treasure chest.
You better hurry up. Oh, you fell.
Nah! I have Giga power!
Bro, literally look like you have some Giga power.
Oof.
It really looked like you're a Giga Chad there.
I pressed the button! Yes, sir. Oh, tsunami incoming. I know this one. I know this map. This is an OG.
Easiest game of my life, bro. Easiest game of my life.
Oh, they actually upgraded it.
Oh, bro, what? On my ladder.
They upgraded and I'm on top, baby. Around the world, around the world, around the world. Okay, easy.
Let's
go.
Down there.
Oh, I didn't press it.
Oh, why did I not touch it?
Cross the road. Oh my god, that was so close.
I don't like this.
Same. I'm gonna make it. Gonna have Giga power.
And literally, the car
Bruh, I died.
Oh.
No round the world, oh, round the world. Just no. Just no.
No, these next. Come on, I have to click the button. I have to click this button.
I clicked it. Okay, never mind. I didn't. Oh, bye-bye. Let me get this diamond, please.
How did you lose that?
Me?
No.
Oh, I have the hot potato. What? Oh. Where's the hot potato? Oh, you have it. Yo, chill, bro. Oh, okay, that was hot potato, bro.
I literally cooked it, bro. I'm just feel like that.
Lava is rising. What the heck? No, why do you do this? Oh my god. Oh my god. This brother's dead. Okay, I died. Oh, yeah, I died. Are you still alive? You must do this. Giga. Yes, you did this, Giga. I'm so proud of you.
Whoa. When did I say I was Giga? I'm both, alright? I'm Yoshi and Giga. Whoa. Don't rise more. Okay. Easiest game out.
Hey, you press the button.
And I clicked it.
What the? Oh.
The building is burning. Escape.
It does not look like it's burning.
Well, it's going to.
Oh, yep, it is burning up. Yeah, we need to get out of here, boy. It's burning out. Goddamn. Bro, this
go.
We gotta go, bro. We gotta escape this.
I gotta go, bro.
Where we go? The window. Yes. We escaped. Oh my god. It's falling. No. Oh my god. Wait, can we just escape this? Oh, we can't. Get out of here. Let me get set on you. Yeah, we survived.
Plus 10 coins. Easy, I clicked it again, bro.
Okay. The bottom disappeared. Oh, I know this map.
The button disappeared. Where is it?
I do not know. Okay, I just... Bro, they're tryhards, bro. How do they know? They're tryhards.
They're literally hacking.
Yeah, bro. They're tryhards. How do they know?
Oh my god. This is...
What?
Someone just did suicide. I don't know.
What? Oh.
Please.
This map. Please, I hope I don't die. Please, I hope I do not die. And if I do die, why did I die? Why did I die? Why did I die? Oh, what?
Literally hacking, but okay.
Wanna press it? I didn't press it. Okay. Well, what is this? Only 3 players? What?
Bro, they have speed coils. You actual nerds.
Oh, I know this game.
What's happening? No.
What?
Don't press the button.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna press the button. I pressed it. This is the easiest game of my life.
Oh my god, bro. What?
Time to death run.
Death run.
Easy death run. Come on now. Come on down. Don't play with me.
Oh.
Easy.
Okay. Wait, bro. This is easy. Oh, no, never mind. I take back my words. Oh, okay. I died. I'm not going full giga power now.
What? Explain. Please explain. They should have told me that the
I'ma just be here. I'ma press the button. I'ma press the button. I pressed it.
Easy, I clicked it. I literally clicked it.
I don't even know who clicked. Oh, I'm the seeker, boys.
Jonathan, I beg for mercy. I beg for mercy.
Okay, so if I find you,
please, I don't want to die.
Okay.
I have a long life to live. So I don't know if you want to do this to me. I literally don't know if you want to do this.
What's up, boy? What's up? What's up?
I thought if I can jump over your head, I would have get away.
Well, he did.
But
he did.
Clearly did not
She
work
did.
out. Yeah, but you're hacking. You're literally
No, I'm not hacking. It's just skill. It's just Giga power and skill.
Bro, you're hacking. You're literally hacking, bro.
No,
Like,
I'm
this is
not. I
deceptive,
just
bro.
have
You're
Giga
hacking.
power and I see people over here.
Once they check this YouTube video, I swear if I see hacks on your screen, bro,
Oh
I'm
my God.
literally like,
It's not hacks, bro. It's not hacks.
Alright.
Okay, that's
You
it.
say
That's
so.
it. Oh, he won. Okay.
I clicked it. Easy. I clicked it.
Oh,
Oh.
finish Dobby.
Finish the owl.
Pizza.
Oh,
Pizza.
hacks. That's literally hacks.
Bro, I'm not
You're
even using the
hacking,
speed
Timmy.
thingy.
Why do they just have to hack? They just hack. They just need Mexican people.
What do you mean Mexican?
Oh my god, bro. Alright, let's go.
I made it.
I
I made it. Look, you see me? I finished the
You're
obby,
You're literally
and I
hacking.
am proud.
You're hacking, Johnson.
I finished the obby, and I'm proud. I'm just too pro. I'm too pro. I'm too giga. I'm smarter. I'm better. I'm just better. I'm built like this. I'm giga. I'm better. Oh, everybody's getting smaller. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I'm small giga. I'm small giga now. But how are we gonna get the button? Oh, there we go.
I clicked it. I literally clicked it. I'm just like, who the heck?
Oh, body. What the flip are you doing here, body? Baldy, more like baldies. Fresh cut. Just kill me, bro. You're gonna get me, you know.
Bro,
Bro.
you're literally gonna die. You're literally.
Yeah, I'm not gonna die, bro. Just trust me.
Oh, you just fell off the mat.
Oh,
You literally just fell off.
I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna press it, and I pressed it. I didn't even know if I did. Oh, bomb! Push it! Push the bomb! Oh, that was easy.
Easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy.
Oh my god, let's go.
Easy. I clicked it.
Oh, let's go trick or treating.
Should we knock on the door? No, bro.
Yes.
I mean, sure. I guess. Sure.
Hey, I knocked. Let's go.
Oh yeah. We got the candy.
Let's go. Hey, bro, now we got big heads, bro.
Easy. Oh my god, my head.
Same, bro. My head is big. Oh no, the tryhards are gonna be here.
We gotta find this lever.
Oh, I found it. Let's go. I found the lever.
We found the lever.
Yes, we're just too good. Come on! No, I gotta activate my Giga power! Bro, why?
Lol, you're not gonna complete. You did not complete the obby, bro. I don't know if that's Giga power, bro.
That is Giga power, cause I did.
If you didn't,
I managed to open a chest.
Yeah, but like at the last second, bro. What do you mean?
Giga always clutches up. Oh, you have to dodge it. Eat.
Easiest thing in my life.
Okay. Easiest. Okay, that was
I
easy.
clicked it again.
Tried the pad. Oh,
Find the correct pad. Oh, okay, I found the correct pad.
Bro, that was easy.
So that's easy. That was all me. That was literally all me. That's literally all me.
Oh, let's go.
Oh,
You have to do the same strat.
Bro, Burger HQ is burning. Oh my god, I went the wrong way, bro. I'm actually dumb.
I went the right way.
An idiot. I'm still gonna live though, because I'm just like that. Because I'm just him.
No, I died by accident. At least I made it, I guess.
I'm literally just him. Easy.
You always get out of the house?
And I survived.
I was lying.
It's just that, bro. Like, I'm just him. I'm literally just him. Literally just him. I'm the only ones who survived, bro.
Okay.
Like, that's how good I am. I'm literally the only one who survived.
Oh, laser gun fight.
Laser gun.
You gotta do this.
Boy,
You're not aimbotting me, bro. I play Fortnite 24/7. I'm in aim maps, bro. Okay. It's not okay. That's the end of the video, guys. Yeah, we're just gonna end it off there. The cameraman won. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys. Bye, Giggle fam. Bye.